Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Weather with Jonathan here, and I'm back with another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about the potential for a massive severe weather outbreak and the potential for a massive snowstorm. I'm going to be going over all this in your forecast. So, starting off with our Storm Prediction Center outlook, we have a moderate risk of severe weather for today, and this is driven by actually hail, wind, and not tornadoes anymore. But we have some large watches that affect severe thunderstorm and tornadoes, mesoscale discussions, and 50 storm reports. 2 tornado, 24 wind, 24 hail. So now if we go over our hazards right now, you can see it's going to be pretty active across the U.S. mainly, and actually have some winter weather advisories in the Appalachians, right where my cursor is, and then some winter storm watches in the upper Midwest and Michigan. Now, take a look at our dew points for our severe weather. You can see today we've got some high dew points. Mainly upper 60s, but also getting towards the lower 70s. That's going to be very powerful. And that'll quickly move out. And if I just want to show you this next storm that'll come in because it'll be strong. So and it'll be pretty bad. So you can see that cold air really just plummets down. That's going to lead to rather cold pattern, but then it's really going to start warming up. And this is currently, remember that, you guys. This is what our temperatures could be by the 15th or the 18th of March. That's I mean, not the warmest in the East Coast, right? I mean, it's only about 30 degrees, right? Well, guess what? That trough in the West Coast is actually shifting east, so colder air will be allowed in the upper Midwest, and a lot warmer air will be present in the West Coast. And that is very good because you guys in the West Coast need a break from this. So if I show you, well, I already have taken a look, but if I show you our Cape today, Cape about 1,000 joules and very significant. It's gonna last through mainly all of the storms, and then it'll get just ramp right back up again tomorrow. But you guys, we need to take a look at our significant tornado parameter. This is our probability of seeing a significant tornado or a tornado out of 10. So you can see those tornado probabilities are going to be very high in Texas. And then it's really going to start diving down in Louisiana, but then watch tomorrow because it goes right back up to about, I'd say about a 7. So that is very significant. Now, you need to take a look at our jet stream because that trough that's causing all of our severe weather is going to be very negatively tilted. And that's going to be really bad. And tomorrow, it's really bad. So, I just showed you the moderate risk we had. Well, I just want to show you the probabilities real quick. This is our hail probability, 45% chance of hail. That is something you don't really see often. Then a very large 10% risk of a tornado and a 45% chance of wind. Now, tomorrow is also something we're concerned about. I'll show you our SPC outlook on pivotal weather. A very large and moderate risk and enhanced risk too, showing the exact same thing. I don't think you guys would expect it to show something different because it's showing the exact same thing that pivotal weather is, or what weather bell is showing, but still that 45% chance of hail and wind. So then if we take a look at our other outlook, which I have to use this because the other one for some reason is not working, you guys. I apologize. It's not working. But this is our risk for tomorrow, and yeah. So you can see we have that enhanced risk for portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. We do only have a 5% chance of a tornado, but wind is the main threat. We do not have a threat for hail, but our wind is our main threat. So I want to show you our NAM model for what the radar could look like today. So, damaging wind line going through the DFW can produce a lot of wind. Then some prefrontal supercells, which definitely could produce some potential strong tornadoes. Then that's going to move out. Now, you could see some very heavy snow in the Chicago region. Now it's predicting a lot of snow. So I will show you that. Now, this is what I just had showed you, but this is what I want to show you. This is until March 18th, so don't say, oh my gosh, this is from one snowstorm. No, it is not, okay? I'm going to be going over every single city right now. As you can see, Seattle not expecting too much snow, maybe some flurries. Now, Portland, Oregon, you guys could get a lot of snow on the 4th, upwards of half a foot in northwestern. And then that snowstorm is going to continue throughout the Chicago region. Now it's predicting it a little more further south, so Chicago could only see upwards of about 2 inches. But yeah, so then Toledo, Ohio, very a good amount of snow is possible, especially in the northeast. And that's just going to continue throughout all the mountains in the west coast. Now, you can see that's going to lead to a lot of snow. And a lot of snow, you know what that means, right? That means some isolated snow drifts, and that means some bad things to happen. Well, yes, it does. And also, this is how many people we have without power in Texas currently because of these storms. You can see we have 100,000 people without power. That is a lot. And that is gonna lead. And that is probably gonna just continue to climb throughout the day. So these are not our actual warnings because I have to refresh this because it's being really annoying today. But I don't know if I'm correct, you guys, but I think this is an ice storm warning in Maryland. I don't know for sure, but yes, those are ice storm warnings. So you guys got to be aware in those counties for sure. So that's the main part of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Consider smashing that like button, subscribing, and sharing this video with your family and friends. I'm sorry for the short time. I'll go live after dinner, but hope you guys enjoy my videos, and thank you for all the support, and bye.